Welcome back. Take your patience and I will walk you through this Google Gemini's new feature which is dynamic view. It seems complex to you, but I promise I will explain you this in very simple manner. So let's get started. We are on the homepage of Google Gemini. I will click on cancel and go into tools option. I will click on dynamic view option. Now dynamic view is selected. I will enter a prompt. Create dynamic view for sunflower facts and benefits of flower. I will click on next and it will start building dynamic view for me. It is creating it for me. We have a nice animation here. It is almost created the dynamic view for us. This is a new feature which Google is trying right now with some users. It is currently in beta phase. It is completely generated. Now let's explore this together. We have a header section. We have the source, benefits, varieties and interactive garden option. This is only a front end, so it does not work even if you click buttons. The garden giant, exploring the science, beauty and the science behind the bloom. Click cards below to uncover the mathematical and biological wonders hidden within the sunflower. We have 3 cards: solar powered motion, nature's mathematics, ancient roots. Now click on solar powered. Now let's read this. Tracking the sun. Young sunflowers track the sun from east to west. At night, they reset to the east. Once mature, the stem stiffness and the flower permanently faces east to warm up quickly and attract pointers. Now look at the second one. Nature's mathematics. The golden ratio. The seed pack efficiently using the golden age 137.5 degree. The number of spirals usually follows the Fibonacci sequence, which is interesting, maximizing the number of seeds in the head. Now look at the last one. Native to Americans. Domesticated by Native Americans around 100 BC. Even before corn, they were used for food oil, dye. Spanish explorers later though them to the Europe where they become garden flowers. There are the interesting facts, very good for learning. More than just a pretty face. Healthy nutrition, a nutrition powerhouse. We have environment, nature's vacuum cleaner. It has unique uses. Google Gemini. We have a select variety, memory generation, teddy bear, mouth house, and skyscraper. This is the interactive phase of this view. We can ask Gemini the follow-up questions and we can modify this view as per needed. So thanks for watching. If you like this video and if you have any feedback for me, then feel free to give me in the comment section.